All right, we will get to Todd in just a minute. First, we are taking a live look outside the Piscataqua River Bridge from Portsmouth. This is where there will likely be some white flakes coming before. Hold on, Todd's going to get closer to that screen. Can you see it? What do you say? Anything?
It's snowing there.
Yeah?
I think it is.
It's tough to tell from that shot. So,
well,
if you look at if the pavement on the left there.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if
is
there's
that just gray pavement or is that actual snow? Or
I think it's
rain,
snowing.
Or, right,
I think it's snowing.
Oh, hold on.
I had to run up.
I know.
Is this Nutcracker?
I was going to see if you can do the ballet back to the desk. So.
I don't do
Maybe
ballet.
a pirouette.
Oh. How do you know so much about ballet?
I have a daughter.
I have a daughter.
Yeah, my daughter does ballet.
Mine doesn't, clearly.
There you go.
Does she really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Have you had like recitals and stuff yet?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yep. All 5 hours of
them.
them.
You had to pay. What are those shoes called?
Don't stop.
Come on, I'm serious. You know.
Oh, what are they called?
Yeah, what are they
ballet
called?
shoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not a special name?
I call
it's like
them
a slipper or something? It's
I
like a slipper.
I call them the fleecing of America. All dance outfits that they wear one time for 6 minutes for $745.
Well,
but Daddy, I'm in 9 routines. Okay, honey, we just won't eat until February. It's fine.
Right.
Point shoes.
Point shoes. Thank you.
Thank you, Julie.
Thank you, Julie. My sister was a figure skater, and that was worse.
Yeah, I got a hockey player
a
too.
Blade?
So that's please.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, skates are like.
Just got the ice time assignments yesterday, by the way.
You need to moonlight.
7 a.m. Sundays.
That's not bad. It could be worse.
That's the time he's going to be on the ice.
Oh.
That's the only time I get to leave.
And the ice is like an hour and a half
on
away
Sundays.
too, right? Oh, good times, good times. Hi, good to see you. So yes, we have a little burst of snow coming in. It's not going to be a lot. The timing's not great, morning commute, all right? And it is the first of the season too, so we're not exactly used to it. Be cautious out there this morning. Here's a look at the radar as it's coming in. We've gotten it to Elliott and to Kittery and Portsmouth. And then up to about Wells, we're starting to see some flurries. Saco, the air's saturating right now. I threw temperatures on here because they are above freezing down in this area, but with a little pace to the precipitation, to the snow, it could overcome that and create some slippery surfaces. It hasn't gotten to Portland yet, but the temp is 32. You can see over Sebago and Naples and Lewiston and the rest of the interior, temps are below freezing. So when snow does arrive, it's likely going to stick, and you'll see evidence of it. As you go farther to the north, it gets colder and colder, so even though we're hours away from seeing flakes in Bangor, we're going to be cold here too, and we'll likely have some very minor accumulation as well. This is a weak system, and it's kind of shredded out too. This moves through this morning, and then we've got a front back here to move through tomorrow afternoon, and it keeps things cold through the weekend. Neither link up, though, neither produce a big storm. There's no big wind. It's just this burst, which gives us the bad timing and some slick roads for your commute. Again, please be cautious. It is the first snowfall of the season. By midday, that steady snow is shifting to the north and gets to eastern Maine, but it's also kind of thinning out as well. And at the same time, there'll be milder air working in at most layers of the atmosphere. So it'll be ending midday across the south and west as some sleet pellets and some raindrops. And then all afternoon and into the evening, it's just cloudy, it's chilly, and by this time with temperatures above freezing, roads will be damp and just wet. So the evening commute will be a lot easier than the morning commute. We will have lingering snow showers, though, up across the north. They finally make it up there by late afternoon. Here's the snow map. A lot of us will receive coatings to around an inch, but there's probably going to be a little bit more right in here, this little bullseye area, a couple of inches, maybe a third. Not a lot, as I mentioned, but it is the first, and it is going to create some slick travel. Tomorrow, front comes through with some flurries and snow showers in the mountains, and another crisp air mass works in for the weekend, but so does high pressure, which means we have sunshine all weekend long, and early next week looks quiet too. This front and this system go to our north, so we might get a few flurries here on Tuesday morning, but this is going to be a lengthy stretch with no large storms. Small crafts are up, seas 2 to 3, light wind becomes southeasterly and picks up a little bit, 10 to 15 knots. Snow changes to rain showers and comes to an end by midday or early in the afternoon. Temps, though, only 35 to 40. Tomorrow's a milder day. It's breezy. It's a mix of sun and clouds. We'll have highs around 50. Saturday, sunny clouds in the mid-40s. A little colder on Sunday, but calm. Actually, a really pretty day. Being outside, if you're hiking around, if you're moving, you'll be in good shape. And as you can see, next week looks real quiet as well. Outside, maybe a flurry on Tuesday morning, perhaps. Temps in the 40s next week as well. So,
all right.
No real change or big swings in the temperature department. And no big storms is a good thing.
I'll be sure to report the 6 a.m. Sunday morning temperature to you when I leave the house for
expect it.
hockey practice.
Just text it, don't call.
7-year-old.
I want to sleep in.
Thanks for the ice time. All right.